What's up, everybody? I am Jeremy from Tech Designs, and you know what I have right here is a Ford door slide extension. If you are running bigger tires on your Ford Econoline van and you have a sliding door, this is going to be your friend. But if you want more information, I'll put a link below. We got these things back in stock. Order one, get one. I got something way cooler to show you than this though in this video. And it's all business. This is like straight up 80s, like this is the business right here. That's why we got the hat on backwards, and you can probably see this new monster behind me. This thing is insane. I love it. We're going old school today. Dude, 1990s E350, and I forget what name this is. The Falcon, dude. This is the Falcon right here. If you don't like this, you're crazy, because this thing is just a beast of a van. And yes, I know all of you people that are, no, it's not four-wheel drive, it's two-wheel drive. You know we love doing the Fords, and they're all gonna be two-wheel drive. So that's it, but let's go check this thing out, and I'll show you what we did under here. We got super crazy. So this has the Kingpin I-beams on here, and we kept the Kingpin I-beams. We did our 6-inch kit. It's actually probably more like 7 inches. This kit is big. Bent I-beams, extended radius arms, all the normal stuff, box shocks, coils in the front, new radius arm brackets. We moved this thing forward a ton in here to clear these giant tires. This is almost a 35-inch tire that we're running on here, as this is a 285/75/17. Dude, looking sweet. I love this. BFG tires, looks rad, super. It's just cool, like I like it. We're going old school. Even, you know, like 90s vans, 80s vans, that's like the OG van life, you know, back in the day before they were cool and then they were not cool and now they're cool again. No one, yeah. All right, but I'd show you the inside. No, I can't, it's full of gear. So in the back of this, what we did is we did our custom leaf pack in the rear of this, which is going to be awesome. I'll let Austin get in there, check that thing out. And then last minute while he was here, he said, you know, you have that bumper on that other van, can you put it on there? So boom, check this out. So what's cool about this is if you have one of these, this is our bumper for our normal Econolines from, you know, 1993 to 2014. But this bumper will also work with a couple additional brackets on the back of these old school vans. And that's super exciting. I love that. This bumper does not bolt on. We ended up welding this bumper completely on. And the reason we did that is because he just wants to be able to paint it, does not want it powder coated, does not want to ever take it out. So he's got his spare tire on one side, and then he's going to remove the ladder when he gets back home, and then be able to put an aluminous box or any kind of box that he wants to on the back of this thing, which is going to be rad. So this thing's cool. I mean, it's kind of, here, wait, let's see. We're gonna open this up. Where's the lever? It's got a bathtub in it, dude. How many of you guys with a van have a bathtub and a shitter? It's got the shower curtain. I mean, dude, this is like old school rad in here. All the woodwork. It's got its own little bathroom in the back of this. I just love I love the bathtub. I think it's just cool. Like, I like the curtains. It's even got like the wallpaper, you know, like, dude, we're setting the mood in this thing. Bang, chicka, bang, you know, back in the day. You know how many babies were probably made in this thing? Just saying, you know. Half you kids that are watching this now probably got made in a van. And that's why you're living in a van again, because you're like, dude, my parents, this was their life, now it's my life, and I love it. It's an awesome life. Who wouldn't love it? The freedom, the fun. Every day's an adventure. So, Ford Econoline Falcon Camper. Baja Grocery Getter, super custom Baja Grocery Getter. I know we're gonna get people like, this is where the hate's gonna begin, because this is probably a one-time deal for this dude who came down, hung out with us for the last 3 days while we did this. Probably not gonna be doing any more, but just wanna show you guys how awesome this is. Now I will throw this out there. If you have one of these vans, we can lift it. However, we use 2014 components. So what that means is we're going to not only upgrade all of your suspension components, but we're also going to upgrade your brake components. That does have a decent additional charge, but it allows you to have the bigger brakes, just everything about the newer brakes are going to be older. The benefit in this is it's got the kingpin setup, which are just super strong, super buff, no ball joints. That's rad, and I'm probably gonna confuse half you guys, but too much information. But just saying, so if you do have one of these vans, we can lift it by doing an upgrade kit to it. Is that it? I think we're done. I don't know if I got anything else to say. This thing's cool. It's headed back up to San Jose. If you see it, tell him hi, Michael Dunn, he's rad. Give him a big high five, tell him you like his van. And other than that, this is just a short, sweet video, and we're done, I'm it, that's it. Back to business, see you guys later. Wait, my hat's on crooked. See you guys.